Hello. Okay, I just drew a Jeanism card right here in front of our very eyes. Feel the eternity of yourself. I like that one. Yay. Oh, and the other one on the flip side that also came up was create space for newness. So I hope you enjoy these. Yes, the deck will be coming out this year towards the holidays. That's the goal anyway. Inspiring things. And so we've been spring cleaning this month, continuing with the spring cleaning theme. Today in the asana practice, we did a whole spring cleaning for inspiration asana. So we'll follow that with a little spring cleaning for inspiration meditation. Yeah. So feel the eternity of yourself. Feel the eternity of yourself. That feels like very inspiring. Feels very inspiring to me. And then to create newness, to create space for newness. So let that inspire us. So go ahead and close your eyes. Just start by finding the breath that's right for you, not too fast, not too slow, just the right amount of air at just the right tempo. And let's clean a little bit of the space out on our laterals, the duality aspect. So blocking your right nostril, and let's do 9 times out of the left, 9 times out of the right, 9 times out of the left, 9 times out of the right, 9 times out of the left, 9 times out of the right. Inhale through both, hold the breath, and then exhale, okay? Here we go. So inhale, and from 9 to the left, you go. Right, left, right, left, right, both. Inhale, hold the breath. And slowly exhale through both. Let's repeat again. This time 4 to the left, 4, 4, 4, 4, 4. So 3 times. 4 to the left, 4 to the right, 4 to the left, right, left, right. Inhale through both. Hold the breath, and we'll come back. Okay, so blocking the right, and here we go. Change. Change. Inhale both. Hold the breath. When you're ready, exhale. And now inhale and exhale, Ujjayi breath. Take the first few rounds to really lengthen your inhale, lengthen your exhale. Get it as long as you can. Just create some more space and capacity in there. And now move into a 1-to-1 breath ratio. Feel free to hold the breath briefly after inhale. So you might be doing 1, 1, 1, 0. So inhale 1, hold for the same amount, exhale 1. So emphasis is on the inhale. That creating space for inspiration. So as you inhale, breathing through both nostrils, ujjayi, go all the way down now to your pelvic floor. All the way down to that area where the bladder sits, really opening up that pelvic floor. Can I feel a connection between my pelvic floor and my bladder and my ankles as I breathe down? And as I exhale, hold the breath there, feeling that sense of connection, and then exhale down and out through the bladder and the ankles. Allowing that bladder ankle connection to be now the roots that go down into the earth. They're going to provide the nourishing foundation, the support, so that my inspiration can take root and fly. So I have wings, and that my inspiration just doesn't fizzle out into nothingness, but I can actually manifest and create from inspiration. Next time as you inhale and you hold that breath, now feel that inspiration in the lungs, the buoyancy of the lungs. And as you exhale now, feel it moving down and out as well, the roots, but also possibly up and out, maybe through, feeling it moving through your arms, your head. Now, next time you inhale, place your hands on your chest, on your heart. Hold the breath. Feel that inspiration, that rootedness in the bladder ankle connection, yes, but also that inspiration bubbling up inside you. And then exhale, feeling that inspiration in the heart. And now inhale, and your next inhale, take the arms open like the Vyana Vayu meditation. And embrace that inspiration, feeling that space for newness. And then as you exhale, hold the breath there, feeling that expansion melting into you. And then as you exhale, bring it back into you, into home, feeling your inspiration, creating space for newness, feeling the eternity of yourself. As you inhale, open the arms, holding the breath, feeling the buoyancy as you're supported on your roots. And then exhale, bring it back home. We'll take that a few more times. Just inhale, feel that inspiration, experience that sense of newness, that space for newness, the eternity of yourself. And then bringing it back home. On your own now. Inhale, hold, exhale with arms. Do one more round. So complete the round you're on and then finish with one more round. heart, your hands rest on your chest for a moment. Feeling the eternity of yourself. Feel that space for newness that you created, and then allow your arms to drift down towards your legs. Feel that space in your heart, that inspiration. And can you feel a brightness, a texture? Can I be inspired by my own breath? Can I be inspired by the smells around me, the texture of the air? Can I be inspired with the sensation of my roots and my pelvic floor? Can I be inspired by my own emotions, my own thoughts, my own physical sensations? And if inspiration had a physical sensation, what would that feel like? And can I feel that in my body right now? Does feeling inspired bring a smile to my lips, a softness to my forehead, a relaxation of the back of my neck? A swelling, a bubbling of my chest, a clarity in my legs, a softening of my belly and my heart, or something else. And stay here longer if you like, basking in your inspiration. What would my day be like if I made inspired choices? What is an inspired choice? Is there the possibility for me to feel inspired today and to celebrate that inspiration through my actions or my choices or my attitude? What would it be like if inspiration was driving the bus of my day? Feel that feeling now. And when you're ready, take a deep breath in. Exhale, release chin to chest. Rub legs, rub palms. Coming out however you like. Feel the eternity of yourself today as you create space for newness. And feel that inspiration of who you really are and what you're really doing here. What inspires you? Do that. Namaste.